Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to increase your pen drive data transfer speed. Okay, if you have a pen drive and you are not getting speed when you are trying to you can transfer your data, so how you can increase this. So first of all, you need to keep this thing in your mind. If you in your PC, in your laptop, if you have 3.0 USB port, so you should use USB 3.0 port. Okay, so you can see over here USB 3.0 port, which is available in recent PCs and recent laptops, and this comes with the blue color, you can select icon. Okay, so you can say this port is comes in the color of blue. Okay, so you should use this port. This port will give you maximum speed. And if you are using USB 2.0, then you will see some kind of, you can low speed in your pen drive. So if you have very low speed, then I will also teach you, but first of all you need to keep something in your mind, that is like you should use 3.0 USB port, and you should buy a pen drive of 3.0 pen drive with 3.0 features. Okay, so when you have 3.0 pen drive, when you have 3.0 port, then this will give you enough speed. If you don't have any 3.0 pen drive and if you don't have any 3.0 port, in this case what you can do, you can visit on your, you can my device manager, and like on my PC. In this PC you can see there are drives. This is my pen drive, and now you need to click on, right click on your property section. Now you need to click on hardware. Now you need to select your pen drive, which pen drive you want to increase speed. Now you need to click on properties. Now you need to click on change settings. Now you need to select policies. Now you need to click on better performance. Now you need to enable this option, and you can also leave it, and you can select better performance, and you can click on OK. And once you click on OK, it will increase your, you can speed, and now you can enjoy your speed. You can try it, and please mention in our comment section if this trick will work for you. Then please mention in our comment box. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.